My name's john.morrod from yournetbuddy.com. I've been working online now for about 10 years, but for much of that time I got stuck in forums like the Warrior Forum, JVZoo and ClickBank. And once you get caught up in that shiny object syndrome, you can waste years just spinning your wheels and not really getting anywhere. But all that changed for me last year once I stumbled across this program that I'm about to introduce you to, run by Philip Borrman. Underneath one of my videos you will find this link. If you click on it and then simply put your name and email address in, it says get unstuck with this free 12-step action marketing plan for affiliate marketing. And once you've clicked on there, you'll end up on this page here, taking action online, create your free account. So just pop your email address in there and then click register now, and you'll instantly have access to the 12-step free training. Then all you need to do is click on start training now and you'll get to the first module. Philip will introduce this to you, and then you can click on continue the course. And for an example, this is the first part of the training course that you'll cover. The secret to online success. Shiny object syndrome is making you blind. Overcome shiny object syndrome now. Get rich quick does not exist. How long does it really take to make money online? Losing personality traits of a newbie marketer. Why does Warrior Plus, JVZoo and ClickBank sell rubbish products? How I make fast passive income. Let's get going and make some money. Well, this is just the first part. And there's actually 12 parts to this. People have paid a lot of money and got far less than what you're going to get for free in this course. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.